Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, March 1st. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Be quiet. Don't make a... Correct. And number 2 means to speak very loudly when you're angry. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Shh. Don't make a noise. Shh. Don't make a noise. Noise. Something you can hear with your ears. Shh. Don't make a noise. Now we can make a card for noise and remember it forever. We use it like this, to make a noise, to hear a noise. Please write noise up here in the top left corner of the card. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here the number, 115 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like oi, noise. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob shouts every day. Bob shouts every day. Shouts. He gets angry and uses a loud voice. Now we can make a flashcard for shout. We also say to yell. That is in our program in level 1. We also say to shout at somebody. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to shout. We use to because it is a verb. Down here, V1. This means verb. Level 1. Over here, the number 52 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, shout. Game over. That was fun. You did very well today. Do you make a noise sometimes? Very good. What about shouting? Do you shout when you get angry? If you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, the missing letter is an L. This is when we get a lot of rain and the rivers overflow. Number 2 is in grammar, telephone. Has 3 syllables. Very good. And number 3 means kind of to push somebody by speaking. To motivate. Very good. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.